Hi, this is the Laptop Yoga Smart tab, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality settings on this device. So first we should open the control panel and find here screen recorder icon. If you don't have this icon here, just tap to the set one and you'll probably find it somewhere here. Just hold the icon and drag it to the subsection, go back, and here hold for a while this icon. After that, you'll see here this settings icon. Just tap on it and you'll see here the just video settings. Just tap on it and here you could switch just the settings of your quality. And here we got also the another settings which we could change. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.